Hello folks, the Mazda is in today for the subwoofer installation. So we now started working at the front here. Well, right now he's installing the dash cam. The customer is also getting a Momento dash cam. And let's take a look at the back here. So here we have our amplifier rack base installed in the vehicle. We also ran our power, ground and the high level input. So we are pretty much ready to install our amplifier rack in this car. Alright, so here we have our EPIC1000 monoblock amplifier, our LC2i Pro Bass processor, as well as the T-Spec power and ground distribution block, all attached to the amplifier rack here. So at this point what we need to do is just make all the connection between all these gears on the amplifier rack, and once that's done we can take the whole thing into the vehicle to complete this installation. Here we go, we have our power, ground and remote turn on wiring complete on the bench here. So what's left to do here will be the high level input to the base processor, as well as the power and ground input to the distribution block here, and those connections are all going to be done in the vehicle. Here is the factory amplifier in this Mazda. It is located under the passenger seat. So the speaker level going to the base processor at the rear of the vehicle is connected to this harness in the middle. So now that connection is done, we're gonna go ahead and play our test tone and we'll see how the signal looks like. Alright, so here we have our scope meter connected to the output of that factory amplifier. So as you can see, I am going back and forth between the oscope and the head unit, adjusting the volume one step at a time. The objective is to increase the volume until we reach saturation on the factory amplifier. So as soon as we reach saturation at the output of that factory amplifier, the signal will start clipping, and once we notice that the signal is clipping, we're gonna stop right there, and that's where we're gonna set our system for the tuning session. 49 clipping, 49 clipping, up to 48, clean signal, again 49. Have our clipping right there. All right, so after that we went ahead and tuned our system here, guys, and I'm just not going to go over the tuning session on this video because we have many other videos on the channel showing how to do that. So I'm just going to drop a link down in the description below to one of these videos for you guys to check out if you really want to. That being said, if you have a specific question, guys, about how to tune your system, drop a comment down below and I'll make sure I'll reply to your question ASAP. Now, taking a look under the hood here, you can see the bracket that we built to hold our fuse here, and this is all about making the installation nice, clean and easily serviceable. So here we have it, guys. Our system is fully installed, and to be honest with you guys, for an SQ system, I did not expect this thing to be shaking the vehicle the way it does. We are definitely getting some tight and clean bass out of this setup. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's